Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of the hassle of cleaning your windows and want a more efficient way to keep them sparkling clean, you're in the right place. Today, we're showcasing the 5 best window cleaning robots of 2024. These cutting-edge gadgets are designed to make your life easier, giving you spotless windows without the need for ladders or elbow grease. Stick around as we dive into the top picks that are revolutionizing the way we clean our windows. Let's get started. Number 5. PuRuikai N361 Ultra-Thin Window Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Meet the PuRuikai N361 Ultra-Thin Window Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a high-tech gadget designed to keep your glass surfaces spotless with minimal effort. This little marvel is packed with features that make cleaning a breeze. Let's start with its standout feature, the ultra-thin design. At just 9.5 centimeter thick, this vacuum cleaner can fit into those hard-to-reach spots that are usually a hassle to clean. Whether it's under furniture or in those tight bathroom corners, this robot has you covered. The PuRuikai N361 is built with advanced robot technology to ensure that every inch of your windows gets the thorough cleaning it needs. The PuRuikai N361 comes with a remote control, so you can operate it from across the room. Imagine controlling your window cleaner without having to get up. Another great feature is the dual-disc twisting and wiping system. It's designed to mimic manual cleaning, providing an effective and streak-free clean. And with the one-button remote control command, starting the cleaning process is as easy as pressing a button. The PuRuikai N361 also uses a micron mist condensation and soaking system. This ensures that the ultra-fine fiber cleaning cloth is always perfectly moistened for optimal performance. It's all about getting that spotless, streak-free finish every time. The vacuum features a fall prevention system that alerts you if there's an unexpected power cut. It even has a built-in battery to support 20 minutes of operation if needed, so you can safely remove the machine if necessary. For those of you living in high-rise buildings, make sure to use safety ropes to secure the device. Safety first. And don't worry about cleaning borders or obstacles. The PuRuikai N361 uses smart technology to identify and navigate around them. Number 4. The ABIR WD8 is not just any window cleaner. It's a high-end, advanced robot designed to handle your toughest cleaning tasks with ease. Let's explore what makes this robot cleaner a must-have for your home. The ABIR WD8 features an ultra-thin body, just 62 millimeter in diameter, allowing it to glide smoothly across your windows, including those hard-to-reach corners. Its sleek, square design ensures that even the edges of your windows are thoroughly cleaned. The WD8 is equipped with a powerful German brushless motor, which not only enhances performance, but also reduces noise, making your cleaning experience quieter and more efficient. The ABIR WD8 uses an advanced SLAM 4.0 system for real-time cleaning path planning. This means it intelligently maps out its route, detects edges with its built-in laser sensors, and adjusts its path in just 0.3 seconds, ensuring full coverage and a spotless clean every time. The WD8 features dual ultrasonic spray nozzles that atomize water to tackle stains without any manual intervention. It sprays water in 3 directions, which means efficient and thorough cleaning without repetitive paths. With 4 cleaning modes, deep cleaning, Z cleaning, N cleaning, and fixed point mode, you can customize the cleaning to meet your needs. Whether you need a deep clean or a quick wipe, this robot has you covered. The WD8 remembers its cleaning route and will return to its starting point once the job is done. Plus, it even gives you voice prompts to keep you updated on its status, including when the water tank needs a refill. Safety is a top priority with the ABIR WD8. It comes with a 4-meter safety rope and a 650 milliampere safety battery to keep it securely in place, even if there's a power failure. It can hold onto your window for up to 40 minutes in case of a sudden power cut. The WD8 isn't just for windows. It's versatile enough for mirrors, marble worktops, tiles, and smooth wooden doors. It's perfect for multiple surfaces around your home. Number 3. PuRuikai PRK-309 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The PuRuikai PRK-309 isn't just any window cleaner. It's a smart, automated robot designed to make your life easier. With its sleek, ultra-thin design and advanced features, it's perfect for maintaining sparkling, clean windows with minimal effort. The PRK-309 features a 95mm thick, ultra-thin body, which means it can easily slip into tight spots and clean hard-to-reach areas. It comes with a 40mm large water tank, which is ideal for covering a substantial area, about 40 to 50 square meters, with each refill. The robot utilizes ultrasonic atomization spray technology to deliver a fine mist of water, making sure every corner of your window gets a thorough clean. Plus, it has a twin-disc twist system with a 14.5-centimeter diameter, providing effective wiping action. You can easily control the PRK-309 with the included remote control. No more climbing ladders or stretching to clean those high or awkwardly positioned windows. Just sit back and let the robot do the work. The PRK-309 is versatile too. It works not just on household windows, but also on glass doors and even car windows. So, whether you're cleaning your living room windows or giving your car's windows a refresh, this robot has you covered. The PRK-309 comes equipped with advanced sensors to prevent it from falling off the window. It even has a built-in UPS power failure feature that allows it to cling to the window for up to 20 minutes in case of a power cut. The PuRuikai PRK-309 is incredibly user-friendly. It's easy to set up, and the water tank is simple to refill and clean. It also has a one-button start feature, so you can get it going without any hassle. In addition to its great functionality, the PRK-309 comes with multiple safety guarantees, including anti-collision technology and real-time edge detection. It ensures that the robot won't crash into obstacles or fall off your windows. Number 2. CHOVERY CL1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This innovative device is not just any window cleaner, it's a game-changer designed to make your life easier. Equipped with a powerful double-spiral cleaning head, the CHOVERY CL1 effortlessly tackles the toughest grime on windows. It's perfect for high-rise buildings and tough-to-reach spots. Whether your glass is 3 millimeters thick or your window is over 45 by 45 centimeter, this robot gets the job done in just 4 minutes per square meter. With an impressive 5,600 Pascal suction power, the CHOVERY CL1 clings to your windows securely. And with its uninterruptible power supply system, you get an extra 20 minutes of backup power in case of any outages. The CHOVERY CL1 features AI technology v2.0 to calculate the cleaning route and ensure a thorough job. It automatically stops when the cleaning is done and comes with a high-strength 4-meter safety lanyard to prevent any falls. The robot offers 3 auto-cleaning modes to suit your needs, or you can manually control it for more precision. To get the best results, simply start by using the dry fiber mat to remove dust, then switch to the wet mat with a few sprays of water or glass cleaner. And here's the best part. CHOVERY stands by their product with a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions or need support, their team is ready to help within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is their priority. Number 1. CHOVERY CL2 Windows Cleaning Robot. The CHOVERY CL2 is designed to make your life easier with its advanced features and innovative design. Let's dive into what makes this robot a must-have for your home or office. First off, this robot eliminates the need for dangerous ladders or moving heavy furniture. With the CHOVERY CL2, you can clean high or hard to reach windows safely and efficiently. Versatility is key with the CL2. It's perfect for windows, frames, smooth floors, and even wall surfaces. Whether you're cleaning high-rise buildings, office spaces, hotels, or classrooms, this robot has you covered. Control is a breeze with the one-handed remote control. It's like having drone-level precision right at your fingertips. And with a 1.5-meter power cord plus a 4-meter extension cord, you'll have all the reach you need for general household cleaning. The CHOVERY CL2 boasts a compact design that's easy to operate and saves you time. Its small size allows it to clean every corner with practical and safe maneuverability. The robot features a rubber non-slip track and a gravity configuration system, ensuring it stays securely attached to slippery surfaces. It cleans mirrors, marble countertops, tiles, smooth wooden doors, and more with ease. Equipped with an advanced AI system, the CHOVERY CL-2 uses smart navigation to auto-detect window frames and obstacles. Its powerful suction keeps it firmly attached to the glass, making cleaning efficient and thorough. The intelligent path planning function means it cleans glass more efficiently than ever. With double discs and double suction, it mimics the action of human hands, rubbing and cleaning at an impressive 70 RPM. You get a spotless, translucent finish with no streaks left behind. And there you have it, our top 5 window cleaning robots for 2024. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, making window cleaning easier and more efficient than ever before. You can find links to all these amazing products in the description box below, so be sure to check them out and find the perfect fit for your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more great content. Thanks for watching.